Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Fit Star Fit. This is Vijay. Today we're going to do 2.5 kg killer dumbbell workouts for beginners, shoulder and biceps. Okay, let's get in the workout. The first workout we're going to call dumbbell shoulder press. Let me explain how to do it. Okay, come on, lift dumbbell, do shoulder press. Okay, so you can see it's doing a little wrong. Okay, so make sure when you're doing dumbbell press, shoulder dumbbell press. Okay, do not take too much down because it's gonna mutilate your chest actually. So always keep in the shoulder level always. Okay, then activate the shoulder properly. Keep a dumbbell always hammer position. Okay, slowly core tight, don't move the core. Okay, up, slowly push up, down. And when you're doing shoulder press, don't stretch your elbow like this. Okay, always when you push, stop here. That's it. Push, stop here, because we're doing for deltoids, not for a neck. Okay, start. Okay, wrist right, 1 2, core tight, push, 3, keep it core tight, till dumbbell straight this way. Okay, push it straight, very good, core tight, and again properly breathe. When you're pushing up, inhale, exhale. Okay, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, stop. The second workout we're going to do dumbbell upright rows. Okay, come on. So the first round also we're doing actually picking dumbbell. Okay, keep it down. See, you can actually arch back. It's not good for your back. Okay, come closer. Use the core strength. Pick it properly. Come on, slowly. Look at straight. Up. Okay, pick 2 more times. Slowly. Just show them how to pick it. Okay. Yeah. Just watch properly. Keep your back straight. Slowly push your hip down. Pick it up. Okay. Start upright rows now. Upright rows. Okay, when you're doing upright rows, it's basically for your deltoids and a little bit posterior for your posterior deltoids. Okay, so when you're picking dumbbell upright rows, don't swing it. Okay, and take always like parallel. Okay, lift it. So don't take it A shape. It's wrong. Slightly above from your body. Okay. Okay. Now take it down. Up. Rise it. 1. Very good. Don't push it back. Okay. Up. Right. Keep it wrist straight always. Don't make it V shape. Yeah. Up. Don't take it closer. Wider slightly. Lift your deltoids up. Okay, great. Up, up. Keep your wrist straight. Good. Don't swing it. The next workout we're going to call dumbbell structure. That's for your trapezius. We've done a deltoids and shoulder. Okay, we're going to finish off trapezius. Come on, strap. Okay. So you can see he's doing all this wrong. Okay. So when you're doing struts, keep your core tight. Make sure you don't take your shoulder forward. It's wrong. Okay. Always keep dumbbell here. Okay. Core tight. Lift your only deltoids. In a sense, you can properly focus on your traps. Okay. Rise it. Hold 2 seconds. Leave down. Very good. Inhale when you're lifting up. Exhale. Great. Up. Core tight. Okay. Good. Perfect. Up. Rise it. Up. Great. Come on, lift up more, lift up more, lift up more. Up. Core tight. Always finish struts. Okay. Properly breathe always, because you're gonna hold your breath, start swinging. Okay. Always keep your back straight. Slowly inhale, exhale. Just how you do it. Okay. Take a break. Finished. Till now we've done a shoulder. We're gonna start doing biceps now. Okay. I'm gonna give first for him wall biceps curl because he's a beginner. Little leg forward. Okay. Start doing hammer curl. Okay. This is reverse grip curl. Hammer curl always keep it straight. Okay. Start up. Good. Very good. Good. Up. Doing a hammer curl increase your brachialis and at the same time your long head also. Right. Make sure don't lift full down like he's leaving, right? It's not good for your bicep because it's like low tension now. Always when you're leaving down, stop over here and curl it. Right. Down. Keep tension on biceps. Breathe properly. Good. Up. Right. Curl it. Stop. The next variation we're going to call dumbbell incline bicep curl. Come on, start. Pick the weight. Okay, it's already picked the weight wrong. Okay, it's not supposed to pick the weight always. Keep dumbbell down. Okay, come first forward. Pick one by one. Okay, keep back straight. Pick right. Next dumbbell. Okay, then go back. Okay, settle your back. Okay, start doing a bicep curl. Okay, down, up. Okay, don't take full up, down. Okay, so when you take full up, you're gonna put pressure too much on shoulder. Okay, that's it. Take it on slowly. Keep your core tight. Up, breathe properly. Right. Up. Come on. Last 2 more reps. 1 more. Take break. The last workout we're going to is called dumbbell concentration curl. Okay. Come on, curl it. Start. When you're doing concentration curl, make sure to keep your elbow on the exactly middle of the leg. Okay. Slow it down. Okay. Lock your elbow there. Keep your hands here to keep your back straight always. Curl it. Up. Pull it down. That's it. Up. Right. Chest straight. Good. Down. Breathe properly. Okay. Contraction very important. Okay. Down. Good. Back straight. Perfect. Very good. Lift down. Yes. That's it today. Okay. Today workout is finished. Today we're done biceps and shoulder. Hope you guys liked the video. If you like my video, like, comment, share, subscribe. For more update videos, press the bell icon.